In today's video, I will walk you through how to create transparent text effects in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. We are going to start by creating a duplicate of the image layer. In the Layers panel, drag the image layer down onto the new layer icon. Next, go over to the toolbar and select the Quick Selection tool. At the top of the screen, click on Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in the photo and create a selection around it. Once the selection is active, move down to the Layers panel and click on the Layer Mask icon. After that, select the Type tool from the toolbar and type the text you want to use for the transparent text effect. You can use any word or phrase that works well with your image. When the text is added, press Ctrl and T together to activate Free Transform. Resize the text and position it over the subject until the composition looks balanced on screen. Take a moment here to line things up carefully, because the placement of the text plays a big role in the final effect. Now create a duplicate of the text layer. After duplicating it, left-click on the original text layer and choose Convert to Shape. This changes the text into a shape layer that we can outline. Next, select the Rectangle tool. At the top settings bar, set the fill color to none. Then change the stroke color to white so the outline becomes visible against the image. Increase the stroke size until the text outline stands out clearly. You want the outline to be thick enough to remain visible once it sits behind the subject. Once the outline looks good, drag the outline text layer below the masked subject layer in the Layers panel. As soon as you reposition the layer, the transparent text effect should begin to appear. If the outline still looks too thin or difficult to notice, increase the stroke size a little more until you get the look you want. Small adjustments here can make the effect appear much cleaner and more readable. And that's it. Your transparent text effect is now complete in Photoshop. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.